Welcome to InspireIgnite, where we empower you to ignite your potential and master the art of affiliate marketing on Instagram. Picture this. You've spent countless hours curating your Instagram feed, researching affiliate programs, and crafting what you believe are engaging posts. Yet despite your efforts, you're not seeing the return on investment you had hoped for. Your engagement is low, your follower count is stagnant, and your affiliate links are gathering digital dust. It's an all-too-common tale of struggle in the world of Instagram affiliate marketing, and it's not because you're not trying hard enough or because your content isn't good. The issue lies in the complexity of the Instagram algorithm, the fierce competition, and the elusive art of winning over your audience's attention. You're not alone. Many aspiring Instagram marketers face the same challenges: low engagement, ineffective strategies, and lackluster results. But fear not, I'm here to share with you my proven $100 blueprint for Instagram affiliate marketing success. This blueprint is not just a theoretical concept, but a tried and tested strategy that has yielded results time and time again. Let's delve into it, shall we? Here's the first thing you need to know. You don't need to have a massive following or millions of dollars at your disposal to make it in affiliate marketing. What you do need is the right approach. That's where my $100 blueprint comes in. The blueprint starts with the careful selection of a niche. Make sure you choose a niche that you're passionate about and one that has a high demand in the market. This will ensure that you can create content that you're genuinely interested in and that your audience will be eager to engage with. Next, you need to focus on creating engaging content. Remember, content is king. High-quality content will help you stand out from the crowd, engage your audience, and build trust. And when your audience trusts you, they're more likely to buy the products you recommend. Now, let's talk about the $100. This is not a random figure. It's the amount you'll invest in Instagram ads. These ads will help you reach a wider audience, increase your engagement, and boost your sales. By targeting your ads effectively, you can ensure that every dollar you spend gets you closer to your goals. Finally, you need to build relationships with brands and other influencers in your niche. These relationships can open up opportunities for collaborations, sponsorships, and more, further boosting your income. This, my friends, is the $100 blueprint. It's simple, it's effective, and it's affordable. I've used it to build my own successful affiliate marketing business, and I believe that with the right mindset and determination, you can too. Let me show you how I turned a humble investment of $100 into a lucrative affiliate marketing empire on Instagram. Now that you've seen the results, it's time to take action. The first step in the $100 blueprint involves identifying your niche. Find a niche that you are passionate about and that has a demand in the market. The next step is to build your Instagram profile around this niche. Create engaging content that resonates with your target audience and promotes your affiliate products naturally. The third step is to invest wisely. Use those $100 to boost your most engaging posts, reach a wider audience, and generate more leads. Finally, don't forget to engage with your audience regularly. Respond to their comments, answer their queries, and build a community around your brand. Remember, consistency is key in affiliate marketing. Keep refining your strategies based on your performance analytics and stay patient. Success might not come overnight, but with determination and the right blueprint, it will come. Follow these simple steps to implement the $100 blueprint and start seeing results for yourself. Don't let uncertainty hold you back. It's easy to stand on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect moment to jump into the game. But the truth is, there's no perfect moment. There's only now. The journey to mastering Instagram affiliate marketing begins with a single step, and that step is yours to take. With the right tools and strategies in your arsenal, coupled with a dash of determination, you can transform your Instagram feed into a revenue-generating machine. The $100 blueprint isn't just a method, it's a mindset. It's about making smart, strategic decisions and investing in your success. So what are you waiting for? The time to act is now. Equip yourself with the knowledge, take that leap of faith, and watch as your affiliate marketing efforts yield fruit. Thank you for watching InspireIgnite. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights and actionable tips to fuel your entrepreneurial journey. Until next time, stay inspired and keep igniting your potential.